it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have some cases from the homie Carl over at Caseborne, or you might know him as Armadillo Tech. I've done some cases from Armadillo Tech on this channel before. I have not laid eyes on these. I don't have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I skipped the iPhone this year. I still have my 12, and I know these cases aren't gonna fit. So what that means for you is that I'm doing a giveaway. I'm gonna unbox these cases, put them on the 12, and then I will randomly pick 3 people to send cases to. Okay, this one says it's iridescent, a pink, okay, and this one says red. I want one and the color you're interested in. I don't want to randomly pick a guy and send an iridescent case to a man if he doesn't want one. You might be a guy and you might want one. But let me unbox them first so you can see what they look like, and then you can tell me whether you want them. This is not a giveaway for the phone. This is a giveaway for the case. I will be selling the phone shortly here. Let me get out my iridescent knife and we'll get into these boxes. But I'm gonna take you around this box. This is Caseborne by Armadillo Tech. It's established in 2018. It's okay to drop your phone is the concept here. They give you a 1-year warranty on the product. You have to register your warranty on the website. First up, we have red. Just red and black. It's kind of pretty. Caseborne, formerly Armadillo Turk. Should be Tech. Carl, I'm gonna need you to fix this up here. Thank you for your business. Open daily from 10 to 5, Monday through Sunday in Frisco, Texas. They're on all the social media outlets down here. We are committed to provide best customer service for you, and we are in this together. Activate your warranty. On the back side, we have very important information. Compared to others, there are extra 2 UV layers on the clear back to keep it clean and clear, but minor scratches and cuts are inevitable. I think that's for every case. Extra raised lips around the corners on the front and back. It is slim but rugged. We don't like really thick cases. There are several models with similar names. Please make sure you order the right one. I guess at this point, if you have this, you've already ordered it. If there are fitting problems, please contact us and we can replace it to you. So if you happen to order the wrong size, they can, get you the right size. It does not work with MagSafe. So if you're entering this giveaway, it's not going to work with MagSafe. And we are a Texas-based small business, but the cases are made in China. We can't find a good local manufacturer. We will keep looking for one. Must-dos is to activate your warranty, follow on social media, and contact for service. Now that we've read that once, we won't have to read it anymore. Let's get into the case. So this came straight out the box saying, please don't return the product to our shop. Please contact us before return. We can make it right for you. There's no reason you shouldn't know how to contact these people. They've put their information everywhere. They're really responsive. I'm going to leave that card in there, and I'm going to leave both sides of the protector on here because, like I said, this is a giveaway. I just told Carl to send me cases because Carl always sends me cases, and somebody told me they would fit my phone, but the up and down volume switches would not align. And it looks like that. I can flip the switch. I can turn the volume down and up. I can power. Now, it is not made for this phone. Could you use it with this phone? Sure you could. The lineups are just slightly off, and the cutoff back here for the camera is slightly bigger. So there you have it. If you have a 12 Pro Max, you could use 13 Pro Max cases with things slightly off. I like the look of the red, not so much with my Pacific Blue, but it looks pretty good. I'm gonna put this one back in the box and we're gonna go to the next one. Next, I'm going with pink. I'm saving the iridescent for last, just cause, hey, it's probably gonna be my favorite. Probably. Well, that's a pretty pink. So this is pink with gray outline. This might actually look really good with the Pacific Blue. Again, I'm not taking the plastic off. You would if this was your case. There's a plastic on the inside and outside. Hush Siri. Power button works. Volume up and down. Hey, let me see if these mess with the speakers at all.
Hey, it's Kimmy again. And
as you can hear, the speakers work just fine, and it looks just as good as the last one. I think it looks better because of the Pacific Blue. Let's move on to the last case. Last but definitely not least, we have the iridescent. Why am I most excited about this one? Like, hey, I might not give this one away. I'm just kidding. Wow, that's so pretty. Actually, This could go either way. It's not too feminine. The iridescent colors are unisex. Everything works as it should. Power on and off. Volume up and down. This has been the Caseborne lineup by Armadillo Tech according to the box. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, if you're interested in winning any of these cases, feel free to drop "I want one" in the color that you want, and I will randomly select 3 people to send these off to. Now, I have to have means to contact you, so you need to be on social media or something. And please follow me at GGKimmy, at GGKimmy, Twitter, I'm at GGKimmy, on Instagram, I'm at GGKimmy, just about everywhere on the planet. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I hope you've enjoyed multiple videos on this channel. You might want to consider hitting the like button. If you've watched a number of videos that you've enjoyed, consider subscribing, and I will catch you on the next one. Holla!